Hello everyone, in this video I'll try to present for you key elements of research proposal or structure of research proposal. The first key element of research proposal is your research title. So your research title expected to be concise, descriptive, reflects the topic, method, and population. Target the population. So the second key element is abstract. Your abstract expected to consist of at least 150 words or maximum of 300 words. So while writing your proposal, abstract for your proposal, consider the following key elements. Start from significance of your topic, your study area. Then go to research gap, explain your research gap clearly. Then explain your proposal objectives. Then key methodologies. Then explain expected outcomes, because during at proposal stage there is no experiments conducted, so at least you have to mention what are the outcomes of your proposal. The third key element of your proposal is introduction. Introduction should contain background, context, problem statement, and the rationale of your study. Next, the fourth key element is literature review. In literature review, you have to conduct synthesis of different previous studies. Not write literature review in descriptive manner, just make a critical review, then try to locate critical gaps, try to show critical gaps, arguments your in previous studies. So this is very important component. The fifth key component is research question and objective. So your research objective are expected to be specific and measurable or answerable. Can be expected to done within a time frame. So make it smart research question, a smart research objective. The sixth key element of your research proposal is methodology. In methodology section, you expected to mention research design, data collection methods, sampling techniques or sample size instruments, data analysis, then justification of methodology. Justify your methodology. Following methodology, the seventh key element is timeline. So every project, every proposal have a starting date and the ending date. So you are expected to schedule your proposal based on list of tasks, whether in weekly basis or monthly basis. You have to break your tasks based on time frame. So try to mention beginning and the end of your proposal. Following timeline, the eighth key component is budget breakdown. So try to justify your budget. So the main purpose of presenting your proposal is to access to grant. So to get some grant award money, because without money it is difficult to conduct a research. So try to mention your budget list with justification. The nine key element of research proposal is ethical consideration. Try to mention ethical issues, consent, data protection issue, participant risks, and the mitigation strategies. If you are dealing with human, animal, something, so you are expected to have ethical approval before any data collection. The 10th key element of research proposal is references. So try to list your references